Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Vocpuli camping backpack set. So I do want to thank Vocpuli for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is a camping backpack, you see right over here, that functions both as a table for the chair that's assembled right over there. In addition, it also includes 2 camping chairs. So all of this is included with the camping set. So you technically have a backpack here. And then you have the chair stand right over there, and you have 2 chairs right over here. So what that looks like is, if you see right over here, those are the 2 chairs that's going to be included. This right here is the folding camping table, but this portion here is technically the backpack that gets folded out. So again, it's a dual purpose backpack. All of this, the table, the 2 camping chairs, it fits within the backpack. So it makes it very, very easy to carry. But overall, I'd say if you're looking for a really neat way to go ahead and carry 2 chairs and a table, but also have a nice way to go ahead, just make sure that everything fits and doesn't occupy too much room, definitely check this out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. And really quickly, I just wanted to showcase that these are the 2 chairs and the table legs inserted. The backpack has already been shaped up, but if I go ahead and zipper it up all the way closed, this is what the backpack looks like when it's closed. So you do have a strap here. You do have 2 front pockets to put other miscellaneous stuff. You do have like carabiner hooks right over here on the side as well. You can use this to tighten it. You have a side pocket as well, which can hold a water bottle, and an identical side pocket on the left-hand side as well. But overall, I'd say that this is a really neat way to go ahead and transfer tables and chairs if you're looking for a nice way to go ahead and relax while you're out hiking or camping. So these are the straps. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.